I do chicken wings, and if you guys want to try them, they're really good. Anyways, what I do is I buy the, the real chicken wings where you cut them yourself. I don't buy the pre-bought store ones. But anyways, cut them up. You guys all know that, right? Whatever. So what I'm gonna do is show you kind of what I do with them, and which is get them on a cookie sheet. Get them ready. I got the oven over at 375. And if you notice, there's nothing on them. No spices, no nothing, nothing. So I'll continue on in a minute. Okay, continue on, kids. So chicken's in the oven, and it's gonna wait. And now I'm gonna make my rub, the dry rub, and I'll show you how to apply it later. And this is what kind of looks like at the end. Okay, let me just show you. I take a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and now these are on a scale of 1 to 10, they're 7. They're not that hot, but they're flavorful. So a tablespoon of cayenne. I prefer Lowry's. You can use any seasoning salt, just don't add any more salt, but your seasoning salt. Okay? Tablespoon of black pepper. And then this here is the bomb. This is Hatch's green chili dried into a powder. So you dry it and then you go crush it into a powder. And I use a tablespoon of that. With that comes the dry rub. Okay, so I have the chicken in there, but you have to pay attention to it too. So what I do is about every, 10 minutes or so, flip them around, move them around. We all know there's nothing on the chicken, but just keep flipping them. Get them all nice on every side. That's all for this one. I'll show you again shortly. Okay, everyone. So I took the chicken out of the oven. You can see it there. As we all know, nothing on it. Just it's cooked. So we know the chicken now is cooked. And so you can see the juice in there. Leave that. Okay, just leave it like it is. Move it around. And then let it chill. All right, let it sit there. I think 30 minutes, but you could make that call. But 30 minutes, let it chill, and then I'll show you how to apply the stuff. All right, everybody. So now you can see the chicken's cooled down. Like I said, I get it cooled down about 30 minutes, whatever. But you can still, it has that shine of the cooked chicken. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the chicken, and you can pick any bag. Turkey bags work the best, but I don't have one. So I use that. So what I do, just all throw it in the bag. Every bit of chicken that you got, throw it in your bag. Whatever bag that is. All right. Yeah, I know I'm slow. But at least we all know the chicken's cooked, right? So you don't have to worry about any raw ass chicken coming at you. All right. And then the sauce we made earlier that I showed y'all, dump it in. All of it. Everything you have. And now, as y'all know, I'm a 70s kid. So shake and bake. But we're not going to bake, we already baked. So now you got everything mixed up in the chicken bag. I'll show you a quick little thing before I go to the next one. Check that. I don't know if you guys can see that. But anyways, it's all coated nicely with the dry rub. And then I'm going to fry it up here in a minute, and I'll show you that too late. Okay, so now everything's prepped. Everybody saw everything I did. And then now I'm going to get it cooked. So, all vegans, turn away. Turn it off. What I use is natural lard, because I don't like the petroleum products like oils. You know that's a petroleum product, right? Anyways, this is natural lard, but it's flavorful. So what I've done is I've got my 4 tablespoons of this, of the lard, into my pan. The pan I get to about 380, the grease, and you could do that with a regular temperature checker. And now, since the chicken's already cooked, as we all know, all I'm going to do is make it crispy. So the outside will have that nice crispy crunch to it. And so the last thing I'll show you when I'm done with this is the final product. One thing I didn't say last time, I just wanted to know, when I put the grease, and you can use, like I said, canola, olive oil, whatever your flavor is. I just prefer the lard. But you get your grease hot enough so you zap them. In other words, you don't want them sitting in there for, 15 minutes. You want it to crisp them up in minutes. Okay, team, final product. It's a crispy, nice, thoroughly cooked, as we talked about, chicken wing. Now, Les, she has the, celery and everything, which I do too. And if you try it, enjoy. Love you.